Hey beauties, welcome to my channel. Today I'm super excited to unbox and review the Colors Queen Catwalk Makeup Kit, a fabulous set for women featuring 32 matte shimmer and glitter eyeshadows, 3 highlighters, 3 compact powders, and an applicator, all designed to give you highly pigmented, long-wearing glam. Let's dive into this beauty treasure and see if it struts its stuff. First up, the packaging. It's sleek and stylish with a catwalk vibe, perfect for your vanity or travel bag. Inside the star is the eyeshadow palette. 32 shades ranging from soft matte nudes to bold shimmery golds and dazzling glitters. I swatched a few and wow, the pigmentation is impressive. Creamy and vibrant with just one swipe. A little fallout with the glitters, but tapping my brush fixes that. I blended a matte brown in my crease and a shimmer on my lid. It's buildable and blends like a dream. Next, the 3 highlighters. Each has a unique glow. One's a subtle sheen, another a radiant pop, and the third a bold shimmer. I dabbed the radiant one on my cheekbones and it's stunning. Catches the light perfectly without being too glittery. Long wearing too. Then the 3 compact powders, 2 matte and 1 shimmery. I used the matte one to set my base, and it's smooth and lightweight, keeping shine at bay all day. The shimmery one doubled as a subtle highlight. So versatile. The applicator is a handy bonus, soft and great for quick application, though I prefer my own brushes for precision. This kit is marketed as a full palette for any look, and it delivers. The formula's waterproof and stays put through sweat and time, perfect for beginners or pros on a budget. It's not luxury, some shades could be less powdery, but for the price, it's a total win. Want to see it in action? Stay tuned for my next video where I'll create a full look with this kit. If you're loving this, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment. Tell me what you think or what you want to see next.